the first chicken shit winner of the day. First time player, first time winner. It often happens like that. So I encourage anybody who's never played before, for some reason, the chicken kind of likes folks who've never been here before, never played before. Just kind of does. Not to discourage the all-time chicken shit winner of all time, my friend Kevin, 29-time winner. There's a few folks that won that number of times. So. Matter of fact, Barbara, our friend Barbara Snow, she won twice in one day. Very reasonable. Yeah. It can happen again. All right, let's get some more Texas two-step and stuff in here. But you gotta understand when the Lord made me, He did it
Drop it, Trey, drop it.
Lord made me.
Almost. I think so.
Let's go, 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 go. Oh yeah, that's it. 49, 49, 49. Oh, chicken. Oh yeah, here it comes.
Ginny's Little Longhorn at Chicken Shit Bingo. How was it?
It was great. I actually didn't even come to win anything. I just wanted to see a chicken in its natural, you know, see nature occur.
Yeah, and did it occur?
It did. It occurred. It took a long time though. The chicken, I think he had a little bit of performance anxiety, and so we did a little chant. That,
and how did the chant go?
Shit, 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 shit. Can she help me out with it? Oh, yeah. You don't want it? Yeah, come on.
Help it out. You can
shit. It was like that. I mean, it's like one word, but really powerful.
Yeah.
And so eventually, I think we scared the shit out of the chicken.
So what was your number?
35.
Yeah.
But only 6-1. Number 6-1. Yeah.
How much did they win?
I think was it like $100+. 115 or something like that.
Wait, where are you from?
I'm from Chicago.
What are you doing in Texas?
I'm doing chicken shit bingo down here, and also I'm seeing some music downtown. For South by Southwest.
Where are you at, Chelsea? Hey, get your belly full of free hot dogs.